Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Luis Javier Ramos Quintero. Uh, United name Prepared Technology Negotiation. Um, this step one definition of the IP involved and its protection. Compañía de Software Colombia S.A. Currently, the company is working on the design of a new application that allows integrate financial accounting that what the seated of the manager system. That part of the principle of the balance is curtain and the time drive IBC. This application aims that the manager in real time can measure the achieve, achievement of the standard and carry out continuation monitoring did as well as allowing you to measure the cost of activity in an organization process. Step 2, value methods use the stability, the price and the reason of the selection. Item per E and contract clause define the purpose of the commercialization of the software. Parties, accounting in Bogotá, Colombia, standard, one and one the 2021. Duration, the duration will the 1 year and they will remember annually. Nature of the license type, copyright. Work schedule, the working out of the accounting software will be 24/7 until the end of the contract. Cost, technology transfers cost are borne by the license. Some royalties, um, royalty rate for the use of the license is the ranger. That's also bandwidth 25% and 20% in the project revenue. License option, it will be a not exclusive license. Is should advise that the license has the right to use exclusive proprietary its and also the right to license other for the same intellectual property. Option time in license, the contract will determination will speak the provision or traditionalization are made of the software. Right it often first refers the right efforts refers will not to exclusive. A scope of license not exclusive license this allow the license right to use the intellectual property it's itself and also the right to license after for the same intellectual properties. Exclusivity. The licensed may only use version 1 of the software and while she is Colombian territory. Warranty, the licensing patents, the licensing word that the right hour and the and that the has the right and guarantee parents right. Mm, when of IP, it's should be inserted word is called wording They contain a description of the work for which a party is responsible, ownership of the improvements, show the considered negotiated or provision for not exclude royal free license for the upgrade, including the right to sublicense. Termination. The license will in the with the license be the term and the contact and will cover the consequences that the entails. Choice of law. Determine of law the, with this negotiation is subject will be evaluate the Colombian legislation. In the dispute resolution, where are when a dispute arises, the arbitration means will be close for its solution. Uh, Thank you very much.